I like being my love. I love being your love. I'm trying to show you
Hi y'all, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your fave Angie baby, and in today's video we have a hair tutorial. Look at this hair and tell me it's not giving vacation. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, you're absolutely welcome. Ask the people in the comments, they will let you know. It's always a vibe. Okay, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'd like to disclaim. Let me put out a disclaimer. This is not an in-depth tutorial. It's more of like a vlog for those that enjoy watching hair content. But anyway, I started out by sectioning my hair into two parts. The front section is for the cornrows and the back section is for the sew-in or the weave. Now when it comes to the braid down for the sew-in, you're just going in circles. It's going to start with a bigger circle and then it gets into smaller circles. I can't really remember the name of the thing it reminds me of, but you're just going in circles and circles and circles until you reach the very middle and there's no more hair for you to braid. I would actually also recommend that you get someone to do this for you because my hands were going through it. This thing is not for the weak, and one thing I do not identify as is the weak. So I'm always going to trouble myself for my own beauty. After all, they say beauty is pain. Also, I got my nails done the weekend before I did my hair, so it wasn't very pleasurable. Y'all, it's not something I would wish on my worst enemy. My hands were literally sore the whole week and a half. Anyway, once I was done with the braid down, I went with a crochet pin and I used that to tuck in the ends of my continuous braid down. I also did not have a black mesh cap I could use as a protective layer for my sewing, so I decided to just go with the little mesh that comes with the bundles. I don't know if it really does much, but I just wanted to feel like I was protecting my hair in some way. And the bundles that I use for this hairstyle are from 𝙑𝙤𝙙𝙬𝙧𝙨 Hair. They gifted me 3 bundles, 20, 22, and 24 inches. So I started out my sewing with the 20-inch bundle. I doubled the weft for this because I wanted my hair to be really full. So at this point, we were done with the 20-inch bundle and we were now moving on to the 22-inch bundle. I also doubled the weft of this because, like I said, I wanted the hair to be fuller. I also anticipated that I would have a lot more hair than I eventually did at the end. At this point, we were done with the 20-inch and 22-inch bundles, and now it was time to get onto the last bundle, which is the 24-inch bundle. I decided to just have this one be sewn individually because I was running out of hair and I needed to use some of it for the boho cornrows. I hadn't really seen it anywhere, but I planned to make my cornrow boho because I just wanted it to blend well with the sewing at the back. At this point, I was done with the sewing, and in order to hide the weft, I went with a crochet pin and I started picking out pieces of the weave from underneath my braid down, just so it could hide the braid down and make the hair look like it was coming out of my scalp. You feel me? Now it's time for the cornrows, the best part. Now I have a way of doing my own cornrows in a way that I believe fits me or suits me more. I split the hair into 3 sections: the middle, the right, and the left. Then I work my way in those sections. Of course, don't forget to use your shine and jam. It's going to help you ensure that your braiding is as sleek as possible. Now, if you're looking for an in-depth tutorial on the feeding braids or the cornrows, I am not the one who will be giving it to you, unfortunately. But I believe if you go on YouTube and just search up how to do feeding braids, you're going to get like a very in-depth tutorial, probably more thorough and detailed than what I am showing you. But at this time, I'm just doing the feedings. I wanted curves, swirls, and designs, so that's what I'm doing. Fun fact, I actually ended up redoing each and every cornrow about 2 times because my nails were pissing me off. It was so hard to grab my hair, grab the extension at the same time, but eventually God took the glory and I finished. So I'll just let you guys enjoy more of the fittings without me yapping and yapping and yapping. So when I was done braiding, I went ahead and just dipped the cornrows into some hot water just so the braids weren't as stiff and I could have a bit more flexibility. And now here's the final look.
You like this high life thing, my love. I love being your love. I'm trying to show you
DJ
She really the A-list girl. She really my favorite girl. I'm loving the way you twirl. You twirl in the Maybach. She really the A-list girl. She really my favorite girl.
And that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you guys actually liked the hairstyle. And I'll see you in my next video. See ya! Kasha! Later, boo!
Picture in your short sleeve. I had a feeling one of these days you'll be there, reason I stay. When you ain't, girl, you make me say, whoa, whoa, whoa. Biggest stage, you know. Never met a bad man like this, you know. And I make a man see.